Case name BM Umar Mukhtar, age is 22 years, and today date is 4 January 2023, and complaint of non-fluent speech from childhood. So Mukhtar, why you came here? We want speech sample before treatment. Tell about yourself.
Sir, my name is Umar Mukhtar and I am from Manipur, and my father is social worker and my mother is homemaker. I have one elder brother and one younger sister.
What problem you are facing in your communication?
Actually, sir, I'm a stammerer, so I have speaking problem.
Speech sample after 1 week of therapy, and today date is 10th of January 2024. So what problem you had, why you came here, and how do you feel after the speech therapy?
Sir, I came here for my stammering problem. After I came here, I have enjoyed a lot of change coming to me, because as compared to previous, I can speak very well nowadays.
So have you spoken to anyone on the phone, and have you got any positive feedback from your other communication partner?
Yeah, I have talked to my friends, but they have said, who are you? And they said, and I'm Umar, and they said, your voice is really changing like that.
So I think your loudness was also the issue, slightly pitch was issue, and apart from that, stammering.
Yes, sir.
So
sure.
People are giving good feedback in all the areas. What do you want to say?
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank Dr. Sir, because he treated me very well.
No, my question is, in which are the areas where you feel better communication, like loudness, pitch, fluency,
Yeah.
all the areas, or any specific areas?
Before I came here, my pitch is so high, but after I came here, my voice is very what to say,
More masculine.
yeah.
Okay, fine. So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Sure, sir.
So those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change in his communication, or if you can see any specific areas where you can see positivity, please write in the comment box, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope and motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.